Today marks a major milestone in the construction of Disney Wish. The Keel Laying ceremony took place at the Meyer Werft shipyard in Germany with Disney Cruise Line executives in attendance. As is custom, a special commemorative coin is placed under the first keel section to be laid. For this occasion, emblazoned with Captain Minnie on one side and Disney Wish on the other, including her hull number S705. We also saw the unveiling of Captain Minnie's bow artwork that will adorn the highly anticipated vessel.
We have reached a momentous milestone with the keel laying for the Disney Wish. I am so proud of all of our Imagineers, the people at the shipyard and everyone at Disney Cruise Line. Captain Minnie Mouse is gonna play a very important role for the Disney Wish. Not only is her likeness minted on our keel coin, but it will grace the bow of our beautiful new ship. As we look into the future, we are so excited to continue our legacy of creating magical vacations at sea.
This is a special milestone for us. The keel laying is a maritime tradition and it marks the ceremonial beginning of the ship's construction. So this block is the first piece of our Disney Wish. It has been lowered down in the building dock. We have placed a coin underneath for good fortune. So now many more blocks will follow and our Disney Wish will take shape very quickly.
Stay tuned for more on the progress of Disney Wish as she moves closer to her summer 2022 debut.